Wagwan, me there again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, now my people, someone brought a video to my attention and I'm going to present that video to you. Now the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened when a man who was on a bus had been confronted by police officers. Please bear in mind that the driver of the bus had something to do with the whole situation where the man had been confronted by those police officers. Let's look and listen to the video and see if we can get a good understanding about the situation. Let's look and listen to the video and see if we can get a good understanding as to why those police officers confronted that man via subscribers. And you can also tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to the situation. Yeah, you can tell me who you think might be right when it comes down to the situation from who wrong, alright? Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
The police, what's your name, sir? And badge number? Your name and badge number? Say it out for me, please.
Can you read?
Can you say it out for me, please?
There.
Say it out so that everybody can hear you. But say it out for me, please. Thank you very much. What's your name and badge number?
Let's go outside. We're gonna go outside.
No, I'm staying on the bus. I want to go to work. I'm late. What's your name and badge number?
Lebanon 8742. For the meantime,
I'm not getting off the bus. I'm not getting off this bus.
Okay, but the bus driver doesn't feel comfortable.
I don't care what the bus driver feels. She's paid. I'm paying taxes for she to be driving this bus to get me to work to pay my taxes. Well, everybody, well, that's okay. I'm not the problem here. I came in the bus and I sit down and I didn't have no problem. My problem is that she stopped the bus, wasting my time, wasting my day, and I'm here and now you're here to get me off the bus. I'm not getting off the bus. I am not getting off the bus. She need to drive and I need to get to where I'm going now, ASAP. I'm not leaving. If you have the right to just take me off this bus, well then go ahead and do so. I don't want to talk. I want to go to work. I'm late.
We're not leaving until you get off.
Well, I'm not getting off.
Okay.
I'm not getting off. So nobody else is going anywhere. I'm not. If you take me off, you have to take everybody off the bus as well, because this have nothing to do with me.
So that was a conversation start out this up. Talking about the solution of this was and listen, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell if you're new to my channel.
Like, if it's such a problem for you to drive people to their destination, then get another job. Like hell. I'm not putting up with this. It's not a problem.
We're trying to find
you
a
guys,
compromise
no.
for everyone.
You're trying to find solution to her problem.
No, we're trying to find a solution for everyone to
No,
get to where
not
they're
everyone.
going.
Everyone here is late. Every single body here is late. We've been here for a good 20 minutes, sitting and waiting for you guys.
It's gonna be even longer. People are.
Well, that's not my problem.
Okay.
I need to get to go. Everybody else need to get to go. And the longer she keeps me here and the longer you guys keep me here, is the more determination I have to make sure that you pay for my day and you pay for your wrongdoings against me. Taking this bus that I know I'm paying taxes for just as well. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I want to go. I want to go. So then I'm gonna stop talk. I just need to go to work.
Now at some point you gotta let us talk too, right? You want to get to where you're going, so does everyone else on this bus.
Okay.
You could take the next bus, get to work on time. You're not gonna miss.
You're not gonna tell me which bus to take when I have already came out from in the morning and take my bus. And because of this lady, you're telling me I need to go take another bus. It's not happening. It is not going to happen. She called the police for the wrong person today. And if you want to know who I am, my name is Man.
So
that's all you get.
The solution. The reason why we have tried to build the video to a certain extent is so that you can hear.
It's gonna take the time it's gonna take time.
Well, then that's up to her and that's up to you guys. But I know you all are gonna feel this. Believe me. Somebody is gonna feel this.
So just so everyone knows, we've called for another bus. The individual doesn't want to get off, so he's going to delay everyone. So we're calling another bus, the same line. You'll have to transfer to that bus, and then we'll.
No.
I'm sorry for
Listen,
the delay, but
take back your statement. Take back your statement. The lady is delaying everyone. She's delaying
Sorry
everyone.
for the delay, but we're not gonna physically remove him from the bus. It's not. We're
Because
not
you
at that
can't.
point.
You can't.
But
You can't physically move me from this
well,
bus.
yeah.
If you want,
But if
well
we
then
wanted
if you
to,
have that right,
wanna
if
do
you
that.
have that right, go ahead, let me see you. If you have that right to do that,
So
go ahead, let me see you.
I just told you we're not doing it. So why are you saying that?
I'm making them to know
Okay.
that you can't.
You're delaying everyone on this bus
Not
by
me.
not getting
Is
off.
the lady. Is
No.
this lady here who is the
doesn't feel
SDM driver?
comfortable with
That's
you.
her business.
Yes,
I don't feel
exactly.
comfortable with you guys being here harassing me.
Okay, so then leave.
Why? Why? I didn't bring myself here. You guys brought me from Africa to here. You guys brought me from Africa to here 500 years ago. You don't come and tell me what to do now.
Well,
You don't get that right.
you're
You don't
gonna
get that
delay
right.
Everyone because
This
you're
is my land. This land is mine. You go back to Europe. This is my land. I am original native of this land.
Look over that direction. Look
I am native of this land. You don't come and tell me to do what to do on my land. It don't happen like that. This is my land.
in that. In the right to just judge somebody based on one person and look at that direction. So we just point out that. That's let the part of this. Make us see who are really and truly
On a
about it.
besoin de... Es-tu une manière pour ça? On a besoin de notre bus. Okay. Unfortunately, everyone has to get off and take the next bus because he doesn't want to leave. Sorry, but vous appelez votre superviseur de venir, il s'en vient, c'est pour ça que je
But that is the better solution. I know it's not my fault. I don't have to be fooled by you guys.
You don't have
Unless
you can,
everybody-
you can wait there if you
Until
want.
everybody get off ship, that's when I'm going. No, wait here for you guys to kill me. Get out of here. I'm going off the bus with everybody else. Let's go, kids. Let's go.
You're gonna go this way.
We'll make a way. You don't tell me where to go. You don't do that. You don't tell me where to go. You don't tell me where to go.
Hey, look at the policeman.
I wait for the kids to go
Look,
first.
policeman and look.
Come on, kids, let's go. Let's go. Off the bus. Off the bus. Off the bus. I'll follow you guys.
Alright, but people, that face, I mean,
You can watch me all you want. I don't care.
Face where somebody might be
I really
around.
don't.
Just tell me if you think so.
You can make your face up all you want.
So,
Mhm.
I mean, maybe this person I try.
Sure.
Yeah, I tell you, set out.
Trouble? You don't see trouble yet. Wait till the sun get hotter, you go feel it.
Yes, boss.
Wait till the sun get hotter, you're gonna feel it. I'm me are the king. Are you are the bomber clad doppy?
You're a Jamaican.
Who are the doppy? You don't see you know?
Familiar word this, you know? The BB word this.
Yeah?
You the accent. Alright, now listen to me.
You're gonna become famous today. TikTok.
Listen, you might get to understand.
TikTok,
that
we going.
Might have caused the worst. Listen.
Watch how much police show up. Because one white woman feels say that I should get off the bus because another kid don't have money to pay for the bus, and I tell her she should stop she bumbuckler nonsense and drive she bus and do she walk. That's how we have to deal with them.
Didn't hear what the person said.
No, they coming for knowledge.
That might have caused
Ok, tout le monde peut rembarquer sauf lui. Vous pouvez rembarquer.
Don't get on, don't get on. Ali, don't listen to her. Leave. Stay here, stay here. Stay here. We're gonna sue them today. Don't go. Don't go. Stay right here. Don't go. Don't go. Let she drive she bus by herself. Don't go, people. Don't listen to her. Stay here. File a report. Make a report. Don't go on that bus. Let she drive she bus by herself. We gonna make a report and we gonna sue them clat. We gonna do it. Yeah. Don't go. Stay here. Don't go on that bus, you know. If all you go on that bus, all you spoil blessing for all yourself. Don't go back on that bus. We're not going back on that bus. A little wicked.
Look at the video carefully.
Yeah, man. That's it. That's it. A little wicked. Wickedness.
How many persons you see moving in the direction where the bus there?
Wickedness.
From who you see?
Yes. Come on. Beg now. Beg. Wait till the judgment fall.
See what about?
When you see the Almighty ready for His creation and all your face all the judgment, all you go know. Don't go. Leave the kids alone. Stop harassing the children. Stop harassing the children.
What about the police motor vehicle behind this?
Stop harassing the kids.
Come on. I don't want police vehicle message.
She go lose her job today. And all you go get sued. Believe me.
Certaine façon, je trouve qu'il a c'est pas trop ça.
Ah, boy. I get rich today. Hey. Today me rich. I'm rich. Richie rich. Are you try betray me and go back on the bus? Come on now. You are my brother, you know. Don't betray me like that, man. Them people they wicked, you know.
Where are you from?
I'm from the islands.
Which one?
Don't worry about which one.
Jamaica.
I'm from Greens. Watch how much police car. Blood because of one Karen. One Karen. One Karen and
Have a good day.
by watch. You know what you're doing in secret, you know. Or you could come back and prepare, eh? Or you could come back. You know where I live. You know where I'm living. Watch them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm trying to beg the kids to come back on the bus after you kick them out. A little wait, watch, kids. Make sure all you make a report, you know. Make a report. I'm telling all you. Make a report. TikTok, baby, TikTok.
Wow.
So you see how Babylon wicked, you know? Wicked, you know? Watch that here. You see power? All the kids come off the bus. Parents come, pick them up, take them to school because of one dirty bus driver of the 68 Pier 4 31-035. Watch her. She go lose her job today. And she go get sued.
Well, I'm get to the point and start finding out certain things. You see me, I say? Anything else?
Get back on the bus. Get back on which bus? Everyone could get on the bus but me. You go suck at your.
Alright, now I don't know what happened after the video stopped recording, but up to a certain point, we noticed that a certain amount of persons didn't go back to the direction of the bus there. See? In my point of view, I think that says something. See? I hope you hear the person's explanation as to what might have caused or something like that. You see? Now, what do you think about what the person said he said to the driver of the bus? Do you think that the driver of the bus was too sensitive based on what the person said, or what? In my point of view, because I'm the kind of person, I love peace, you know, I think that the situation could have been handled better. I mean, look at the amount of police officers arrive at that location for one person. And when me hear the explanation of the person give as to what might have caused that situation, me start to think certain things to myself and I said, Jah, no, like for real? I just that? Now, don't get me wrong, you know, I'm not condoning to anyone disrespecting anyone. No, I'm not saying that. But at the same time, me just a try to say peace, you know. Sometimes just overlook certain things. We live in a world where we wonder what's going to be the solution where everybody can just alright and live in love and harmony. Sometimes I just misunderstanding too, you know. Sometimes I just misunderstanding. Maybe the person who those police officers confronted might not even mean nothing with the words them we might have said. Maybe, you know, I'm just saying maybe. Let me know what you think though, my people. Zane, me just I say peace. That's all me I say. Alright, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.